Today I'm going to show you how to set up an awesome Jello wrestling pool so you can have a Jello wrestling party. Now the whole process is super quick and easy if you use our Jello wrestling package. These packages have been specially designed to make huge amounts of wrestling Jello. So you don't need to boil water, you don't need to refrigerate the Jello. Simply add it to the water, add it to the pool. The Jello is going to set on its own. Going to rip them open, pour them in, and watch it start to set. All we have to do is wait a few hours, and that's going to be a pool of Jello.